Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a Bailey's chocolate brownie cake whichever one, using Bailey's actually. So let's just get right into the video. So for ingredients, I'm going to be using my Bailey's Delight. I'm actually not going to be using the original Bailey's. And yeah, I'm also going to be adding some chocolate Tuffles to eat as well. So yes guys, we did be alcoholic, I don't know, but let's just get right into the video. So for my ingredients, I'm going to be adding my sugar, and I will also be adding my egg. And yeah guys, I will mix this properly using my hand mixer, and once that is done, we will add the next ingredients. So guys, I will leave the measurement of all the ingredients I used in the caption down below in my description box, so don't forget to check that out. Now guys, we are done mixing. I'm just going to add my vegetable oil and our star of the recipe, Bailey's Delight. I will also mix this properly mix it properly, because we have a little bit of alcohol in it anyways, so but it's not as much as using the original Bailey's, I believe. So but yeah, let's just get right into baking. Now I'll be adding my vanilla essence as well, and a little bit of baking, a little bit of salt. I'll mix that properly, and once I'm done mixing, I will then add my all-purpose flour, I will add my baking powder, and I will also add my cocoa powder or chocolate powder, or any powder you want to use, even if it's Milo you can. So I'm just going to mix this properly. Once I'm done mixing this, I will introduce it to the next ingredients, guys. So now guys, I'm going to be adding my raisins and some chocolate chocolate tofu, like I said earlier on, and I'm just going to stir this properly, ensure that all the batter is properly coated with our raisins and the chocolate tofu / chocolates we have in them. So yeah, this is what my consistency is looking like. It's a little bit thick, so I'm just going to be adding a little bit of hot water just to loosen up that thickness, not to make it so thick and so watery as well, just in between kind of batter which is how I like to bake my cakes. So yeah, I'm just going to mix this properly, and once we're done, we get back to putting this in a pan and baking. Now guys, this is the consistency I was actually going for, not too thick, not too watery. So now I'll just add this into my pan. I'll pour it into my pan, ensure it's evenly spread in the pan, because I'm actually using a big pan, which shouldn't be, but hey, I was just craving chocolate brownie cake and I had to do it. An alcohol chocolate brownie cake, so I had to do it. So once I'm done, oh guys, I actually added some coconut flakes to eat. So yeah, I'm just going to sprinkle that, add that to it, and yeah, once we're done adding the coconut flakes, I will bake in the oven for about 40 minutes, but you can bake for less or more depending on your oven. And yeah, I will show you guys what our brownie or chocolate brownie cake looks like. guys, this is what my cake is looking like now. So yeah, I added a little bit of icing sugar for extra shine. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the thumbs up button, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.